So the materials you need to make a fortune teller is you need a piece of paper, a Sharpie, and a pair of scissors. So how we're gonna start, you're gonna put the paper vertically, take the top corner, bring it down and make a triangle and align it up with this. Then you're gonna fold this flat. Then with this little extra piece hanging off, you're gonna cut that off. You can get rid of this. Then you're going to open it back up, find the diagonal line, and you want to take one corner and fold it down to the other. Then fold that flat, open it back up, and then you'll see a little point in the middle. So you want to fold every corner into that point. So it should look something like this. Then you want to flip it over and you want to do the same thing. So you want to bring each corner to the little point in the middle. So it should look something like this. Then you want to take one side and turn it in half. Fold that flat, open it, and flip it in half the other way. Then you can flip it back over, and on these four corners you can write any numbers you want. So we'll write 1 and 4. Then you can flip it over again, and on each of the 8 triangles you can write the numbers 1 to 80. So then fold in half one more time. Then you can pop these open, put your fingers in. And there you have it. And you can open it back up, lift up each flap, and then you can write anything you want in here. So I'll write a fish in this one, write a seahorse in this one. And you can fill in all the rest with whatever you like. And that's how you make a fortune teller.